We have the Hedgehog glove, which has actually got little prickles, so it will actually get into the grout and indentations. And then underneath it, we've got a nanofibre that will absorb the grime that you loosened into the fabric. The Hedgehog glove will clean mould away and suck it into the fabric, just using water. Look at that, that is disgusting. Just rinse it off and repeat until you pick all the mould out of the surfaces. The new improved Ultra Scrub Cloth, the two-sided cloth. Now, if you've got a lot of dirt and grime and plug holes, etc., you could actually use the new scrub cloth. I quite like a little cloth to sort of get around and clean. Glove, and then use your star polish cloth. So you need a bigger piece of material to take off this excess moisture. You need to go in an S, down the surface. If you go backwards and forwards, you'll leave lint. Down. Now let's walk away, and that'll be dry, crystal clear. Come up. Crystal shiny clean. And guess what? Afterwards you won't get any finger marks because there's no residue of any detergent or cleaning agent.